Hello students, I'm welcoming you to session 63 on accounting 1. In this session we are concentrating on second final account, that is profit and loss account, its meaning, purpose and preparation. In last session we discussed in detail about what is trading account, how to prepare trading account, what is the purpose of preparing trading account. At the end of this session you will come to know what exactly is profit account, what exactly is profit and loss account and how to prepare it. What is profit and loss account? The profit and loss account is an account which shows net profit or net loss. So here net profit or net loss indicates ultimate profit or ultimate loss of a business for the particular trading period. The net profit or net loss is the profit earned or loss suffered by a business after charging all business expenses including depreciation and provisions. So means if you want to know what exactly the net result after all business expenses including provisions and depreciation, we'll go for preparing profit and loss account. It is the this account shows final profit or loss of the business. The account that shows annual net profit or net loss of a business is also called as profit and loss account. It is prepared with an intention of knowing net profit or net loss. So now the question is what it contains. On the debit side, gross loss, all indirect expenses will be recorded in profit and loss account. On credit side, gross profit or all indirect revenues are recorded. So gross profit and gross loss will be transferred from trading account. So if debit side is more than the credit side, try to understand, if debit side is more than the credit side, that indicates net loss. If credit side is more than the debit side, that indicates net profit. What exactly is the purpose of preparing for a profit and loss account, and at the same time importance attached to profit and loss account? We know that with the help of profit and loss account we can have a knowledge of net profit or net loss. The main purpose of preparing profit and loss account is to know the net profit or net loss. So net profit or net loss is the annual profit available to the owner credited to his capital account. In case of net loss, proprietor capital account will be debited and net profit will be calculated. Net profit or net loss will be calculated only after charging all indirect expenses. It also helps to know the ratio between net profit and net sales. We get net profit from profit and loss account. This net profit will be matched with the net sales to know exactly net profit to sales ratio. This ratio is compared with the desired net profit ratio. If there is any shortcoming, that will be removed. This ratio can also be compared with the ratio of previous year, and effective future line of action can be taken based on comparing it with future year. Then calculation of expenses ratio to sales. What exactly is the expenses in relation to sales will be calculated. So which helps us to know what is the desired expenses ratio, whether expenses ratio increase over a period of time or not. It also helps us to compare actual performance with desired performance. If actual performance of the business is available with profit and loss account as regard net profit, so then individual expenses and individual income, so we compare our actual performance with our planned performance to identify the weakness and once we identify the weakness, we will try to remove it. So comparison of actual performance with the desired performance helps us to identify actually what exactly the performance organization reached, whether there is a deviation between actual and desired. If there is a deviation, what are the causes for such deviation, and we will try to remove such causes. So that is why we go for preparing profit and loss account. That's why so much importance is attached to profit and loss account. So maintaining provisions and reserve. We know that being a business concern, we should maintain certain reserves and provisions to meet future requirement or future uncertainties. The amount of provision or reserves and funds to be maintained depend upon net profit earned by the firm. It is necessary to prepare profit and loss account to determine net profit so that effective provision for uncertain future could be maintained. Means we can keep aside certain sum of rupees only when we earn profit. So what exactly amount to be kept aside depend upon what amount of profit we earn. So it is necessary to prepare profit and loss account to know the net profit, which helps us to know the effective provision for uncertain future that could be maintained. So what exactly is the format of profit and loss account? So on debit side, it starts with gross loss transferred from trading account, then all indirect expenses such as office and administrative expenses, salary, rent, rate, tax, postage and telephone charges, printing and stationery, office electricity, insurance, legal charges, selling expenses, carriage outward, freight outward, advertisement, bad debt, golden rent, commission paid, discount allowed, financial expenses, bank charges, interest, depreciation, repair, audit fees, loss of accident by fire or theft, any other miscellaneous expenses. All these indirect expenses comes under debit side. Credit side, it starts with gross profit, so which is transferred from trading account. Then we will record all indirect expenses such as rent received, discount on purchase, interest on drawing, bad debt recovered, royalty received, sundry income, miscellaneous income. So if debit side is more than the credit side, there will be a net loss that should be transferred to capital account. If credit side is more than the debit side, that indicates profit that should be transferred to capital account. So this is all about profit and loss account. We'll see what is balance sheet, how to prepare balance sheet, and preparation of problems on preparation of final accounts, particularly in next sessions. Till that, take care.